Good day, sir. I'm Frederick James A. Soriano from Bsce 1C. And today I will be explaining to you and showing to you on how I come up on my own answers to the questions given to us. So let's start. For question number 1, the equation is x squared minus xy plus y squared is equal to e raised to negative x. Find dy over dx, which is the inclusive differential for this equation. So let's start. We will find the derivative of each term for these four terms. It should be d over dx of x squared minus d over dx of x and y plus d over dx of y squared and d over dx of e raised to negative x. So let's simplify. First, there will be 2x. Then, as you can see, it has two variables, meaning to say we will use the product rule in this situation. Thus, it will become x, which is the u, d over dx of v, which is y, and plus y, d over dx, or derivative of x, plus the derivative of y squared is 2y prime. That is according to the table in chapter 6. And the derivative of e raised to negative x is negative e raised to negative x. And how I come up this kind of answer is the derivative of negative x is negative 1, which negative 1 times to the original equation will be negative e raised to negative x. So let's simplify again. It should be 2x minus x. The derivative of y is y prime. Thus, this will be xy prime plus y only, because the derivative of x is 1. Then plus 2y y prime is equal to negative e raised to x. Then, we'll distribute the negative sign. It should be 2x minus x y prime minus y plus 2y y prime is equal to e negative e raised to negative. There. And now we will put all the terms with no prime to the other side. So it will be negative x should be negative xy plus 2y y prime is equal to negative e raised to negative x minus 2x plus y. Where you can see it has a similar term, which is the y prime. That's why we need to simplify it. It will be y prime is equal to, or times negative x plus 2y is equal to negative e raised to x minus 2x plus y. And after that, in order to remain only the y prime here, we need to cancel out this by means of dividing it by itself. Should be both sides. Should be both sides. Right? And over x plus 2y. So the other side, negative x plus 2y. And this will come up to an answer of y prime is equal to negative e raised to negative x minus 2x plus y over negative x plus 2y. Then substitute this with that term, d over y, then d over x is equal to negative e raised to negative x minus 2x plus y is equal over x plus y. And this is my answer, or this is the answer for question number 1. So this is for question number 2. Question number 2 is sine x squared y is equal to g. Find d squared of y, d squared y over dx squared, where g is the Earth's standard acceleration, which is 9.8. So first, we need to find the derivative of these two terms. d over dx and derivative of sine x squared y. So in this first term, we need to find only the derivative of sine x first, which is cosine, and copy this x squared and y. And after that, we will multiply it to the derivatives of x and y. So the derivative of, so let's go directly. This will be x squared. That is the derivative of y plus y, the derivative of x squared is equal to, let's put in 0 because the derivative of a constant will be always 0. Now simplify. Cosine x squared y times x squared, the derivative of y is y prime plus 2x y is equal to 0. Then we will distribute cos x squared y to the each term. So it will be x squared y prime cos x squared y plus 2xy cos x squared y is equal to 0. So again, as we did in question number 1, we will remain the equation that, or the term that has y prime here, then the other one we will move it there. So resulting to x squared y prime cos x squared y is equal to negative 2xy cos x squared y. Also, as we did in number 1, we need to, in order for us to cancel out all of these and the remainder will be y prime, we need to divide it to x squared cosine x squared y. Also here, x squared cos x squared y plus this will result to y prime equal to, cancel out, this will remain, cancel out, and this will remain. It should be y prime is equal to negative 2x y over x squared. So as you can see, we can cancel out it because of the same term. It will be y prime is equal to 2y over x, negative 2y over x. Then change this to dy over dx, dy. So this is our first derivatives. There you go. We already find the first derivative, but the answer needed is the second derivative, which is d squared y over dx squared. That's why we need to find the derivative of this term in order for us to get the final answer. So let's dig in. As you can see, this is a fraction, which means we need to use the quotient rule. Alright, so we'll just put initial here, u and v. That is b du minus UBV over v squared rather. I assume that we already knew it. So let's derive this term with the x derivative of getting 2y minus getting 2y times the derivative of x over x or v squared, which is x. Simplify rather, x times the derivative of negative 2y is negative 2y prime minus negative 2y over x squared. So distribute, it will be negative 2xy prime plus 2y over x squared. So as you can see, there's y prime here, which is our equation, original equation, so we need to substitute it, resulting to negative 2x times negative 2y over x plus 2y x squared. Then we will distribute this to here, resulting to positive 4x y over x plus 2y over x squared. So as you can see, it's a complex fraction, and in order for us to cancel out x here at 4xy over x, we need to multiply it by x over x. That will result to 4xy plus 2xy over x cubed. So as you can see, it has the same term, which is 4xy plus 2xy, and we need to sum it up. dy over dx is equal to 6xy over x cubed. So this will be the final answer for question number 2. Thank you, sir. Hope you're having a great day, and God bless you and stay safe.